Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to verify a PayPal account. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Now sign into your PayPal account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, go to the wallet section. Here, add a bank account or debit card if you haven't already connected one. Enter the required banking details carefully and follow the on-screen instructions. PayPal will then begin the verification process to confirm that the account belongs to you. Depending on your region and payment method, PayPal may send a small test deposit or ask you to confirm a code from your bank statement. Complete the requested verification steps and submit the information. The verification process can take up to 3 business days. Once PayPal confirms your financial details, your account will show as verified. A verified account helps prevent payment delays, improves account security, and reduces the chances of account limitations. If you're using PayPal with user testing, wait until your PayPal account is verified before connecting it. Then return to your user testing dashboard and click Set up Payments. Select Connect to User Testing and follow the prompts to link your PayPal account. After the connection is complete, make sure the Set up PayPal Payments task is marked as done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.